What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Simple Invest Zone. Today I want to give us another strategy, a mobile strategy that we can use in order to generate profits in our day-to-day trading. It is a very simple strategy that we can use for any time frame that we prefer to trade. As we can see it here, the strategy comprises of RSI in the indication window 1, and then a 20 moving average, a 21 moving average as our trend indicator on the main chart. As we can see it here, the rules behind the strategy is that whenever the RSI is above 50 and the market is above 21 moving average, then we go for a buy signal. And then another condition for us to buy is whenever your RSI is overbought or oversold, then the market is above 21 moving average, then we consider a buy also. So let me give an example. This is the example that I'm giving here. You can see the market is RSI is oversold around this area. So you can, whenever you see that the candle is above 50, is above 21 moving average, then you go for your trade. This is another opportunity here. It's oversold. So there is two things you have to consider. Whenever the RSI is above 50 and then the market is above 21 moving average, then you consider buy. And then whenever your RSI is below 50 and then the market is below 21 moving average, then you consider sell. And then whenever the RSI is overbought, like this one, you can see around this area the market is right from this area. You can see right from, let me show you a recent, right from this area. You can see right from this area the market is overbought around this area, but you won't enter that trade until the RSI cross, until the 21 moving average cross it down, until you cross 21 moving average down. As you can see, this is a good signal for us to enter. Let me just enter the trade. Let me enter the trade. Sell signal. So let me put the stop loss immediately. Fall to 80. 402.80. 402.80. So that's that. We watch the market. If we hit our stop loss, then fine. If it go down in our favor, good. So that's that. I've entered Euro USD before, as you can see it here. I've entered Euro USD and you can see it's doing fine. It's doing fine. So that's that, guys. You can see the strategy really makes sense. Really makes sense. Really makes sense. So it's a very simple strategy that we can use. You can see this is an opportunity here. This is an opportunity here. You can see. This is another opportunity here. There is a lot of opportunity, and it's a very simple strategy that we can use in order to generate profit on our day-to-day trading. You can see. So that's it, guys. Don't forget the rule. Whenever the RSI is above 50 and then the market has crossed 21 moving average up, buy. And then whenever the RSI is below 50, you can see it here, right from this place. Is whenever the RSI is below 50, you can see it's below 50 here, and then the market is below 21 moving average, consider sell. So that's the rule. It's a very simple strategy that we can use to trade as a beginners traders. We don't need a complicated strategy for us to make it in a forex trading. So you just have to practice a money management, a good money management. So that's that about that, guys. So thank you for tuning to our YouTube channel, and then we hope we will see you on our next video. Peace out.